everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I am Sandy and I invite you to subscribe. Today I am just doing a little bit of cleaning. I just finished up this project with this making this tall skinny journal, so if you missed that, check that out. It really was a lot of fun, but I wanted to just turn the camera on while I'm doing a little bit of cleaning up and just kind of share with you a couple upcoming things that I am going to be working on. One of them is my subscribers will remember this journal. I started this a while back and I just haven't got back to kind of finishing it. This is a mushroom journal and I'm about done with it. So I have 3 signatures in there. They are sewn in, and then I have the front and the back cover, inside cover done as well. And I added, these are snippet rolls, pieces from snippet roll, and I made these into pockets for the front and the back. I love that so much. And see, I have little notes to myself of what I want to do. But I've added these tabs on the end here. I love these tabs where I sew on them. This is just some muslin and then lace, and then I sew that together. But I'm going to be finishing up this journal and I'll do a full flip through here. But it is packed full of mushroom stuff. And then I have a bunch of mushroom ephemera. Like here's one example, this vintage stationery. That'll be one item that's going in here. And then I do have a few things from Your Creative Studios that I want to add in here. Plus I have a lot of vintage mushroom stuff. But I will be doing a flip through of this journal. Look at this, love this so much. And then I have to decide if I'm gonna sell her or if I'm gonna keep her. I love her so much. I received this in Happy Mail. And look, the beads just match perfectly with the cover. But so that's coming soon. So make sure you stick around for that. And I'll show you some of the things that I've made and some of the things I'm going to be putting in there. And then the other thing I want to circle back to is my fairy journal. This is kind of a, I added that batting, so it's a squishy journal. And so I still need to finish the inside. I'm definitely going to use some of my faux rice paper in here. So I have, and I'm thinking this is probably going to be the inside cover. And then I have another piece back here. But I haven't sewn the signatures together. I have them all picked out. And I did a video on this if you want to check those out. But they're just gorgeous. So now I just need to fairy them up. And add my decorations and trims and things like that. So I'll be getting back to this journal as well. And then I'll be working on my patron junk journal kit for June. So I have that coming up as well. And then I have a couple organizing videos that I am working on. There's a few things I'm changing around in my craft room, and so I thought I would have you come along with me. But yeah, that's kind of what I'm up to over the next coming weeks. I also have some vintage haul videos that I have I'm going to show you, as well as some new purchased items that I got that I'm excited about. And yeah, so that's about it. So leave down in the comments below, what are you up to? What are you working on? Any other videos you would like to see from me? I also have, I'm gonna try my hand at making some handmade paper. I've never done that before. So I'm excited to give that a try. And I'm running low on my coffee dyed and avocado dyed paper. So I'll probably be making some more of that, and I'm going to be doing some patterns on them as well. I have a couple placemats and doilies and things that I'm going to try. And yeah, so got a busy couple months coming up. Plus I have a trip coming up out to California to see my daughter. So yeah, so it's been a good, I can't believe we're in June already. It's crazy. This year's almost half over, but it's been a good year so far. I really want to thank all my subscribers. I'm getting close to 2,000. So I'm going to do a good giveaway when I hit 2,000 subscribers. And then my Patreon, I have one more junk journal kit level. It's the bluegrass tier. I have one spot left, so I'm really excited about that. So if you're interested in becoming one of my patrons, I would love it. We're having a lot of fun over there. There's member-only videos, there's digitals, and the bluegrass tier gets a little junk journal kit. The $5 tier, I think that's the cardinal tier. They're not guaranteed to get something every month, but I've pretty much been sending out something every month. So if you can't afford the bluegrass tier, you can consider the $5 tier. So yeah, so I'm going to end it here because I need to get up and I have a bunch of stamps and stencils and papers and things like that, ephemera that I need to get put away. So I just wanted to pop in and say hi, and a big thank you again for your all support, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Bye.